Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by validating essentials: a frozen model file, representative test data, and clear performance goals. Once done, containerize the runtime or package as a wheel so the environment is reproducible. Make sure to provision secrets and an ISC template to create resources reliably. Then configure a CI trigger that builds the image, runs unit and smoke tests, and pushes to the registry. This step gets you from local prototype to an automated artifact ready for staging deployment. Once the artifact is in the registry, deploy to staging using a canary or blue/green flow so you can validate behavior under controlled traffic. During this phase, tune resource requests and limits, enable autoscaling policies, and attach GPU or CPU profiles if needed. At the same time, instrument metrics, logs, and distributed traces so you can correlate latency and errors. Make sure to run load and adversarial tests. Only promote when SLOs hold and alerts remain quiet under expected stress. You perform a controlled production rollout. Ramp traffic gradually while monitoring key SLOs and error budgets. Make sure model versioning is active so you can route traffic to an older model instantly if anomalies appear. If things go wrong, collect failing inputs and diagnostics, trigger an automated rollback to the previous stable version, and open an incident with actionable logs. Finally, schedule a postmortem, adjust tests or data preprocessing, and iterate. This closes the loop and prevents repeat regressions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.